The most commonly used alloy around us, from our cars to refrigerators to washing machines and even to roads, steel is used extensively in engineering and construction work. As a result, one can say that production and consumption of steel are directly linked to socio-economic development of India. Now, the consumption of steel is highly dependent on how the country's GDP is performing and more specifically on how the investments are turning out in infrastructure such as railways, ports, roads, airports, and even housing. India ranks third in its consumption of steel globally, and it is likely that in coming years it will surpass United States to become the second largest consumer of steel. Now, steel in the present day scenario contributes to 2% of India's total GDP and employs more than 6 lakh people directly to production of steel and 20 lakh people indirectly. The current per capita consumption of steel is 77 kgs, which is considered to be low than global average, which is 240 kgs. This is due to the fact that India has a low per capita income and limited urbanization. Now, on the other hand, this also showcases the vast potential which exists in India and is bound to grow by 8 to 9% annually given how much infrastructure is needed to build. Now, the Stock of the Year award goes to none other than Tata Steel. Tata Steel is known to be the world's largest steel company, which has highest global crude steel production capacity of 34 million tons per each year. Now, furthermore, the company has manufacturing units across 26 countries around the world. Also, the commercial presence is in over 50 plus countries. Apart from this, Tata Steel is also the second largest steel producer in Europe. Tata Steel Limited developed 29 products, out of which 3 products were developed for first time in India. Now, if you want to know how big is Tata Steel, do check out this short in I button. You will be amazed and you will be mind blown. Now, talking about its fundamental metrics, the current price of it is less than intrinsic value. Now, if you compare ROE of a stock versus bank FD, the stock is generating more returns than a fixed deposit. Stock is good time to buy at it is not in overbought zone. Now, talking about the metrics, it has a market capitalization of 1,35,000 crores, dividend yield of 4.62%, the sector PE is around 4.70, shareholding is 33.92% from promoter, 25 is from public, 22 is from FII and 19.12 is from DII. Revenue is recognized with 2,42,000 crores. Net profit is at 41,750 for 2022. Personally, I have added this company to my portfolio. Comment down below what do you think of Tata Steel.